Hello, I'm going to go over this activity, mapping active volcanoes of the world. And the first part here talks a little bit about why we study volcanoes, what we can learn from volcanoes. And then there is a list. And this list has 10 active volcanoes around the world. Some of you may have heard of, some may be new to you. It gives a little description of each one, a little kind of like fact about each one. But then also it has a latitude and longitude. And you'll see each of these, right here. And we're going to take these latitude and longitude, and we are going to use the map here to graph each of these volcanoes and label the volcano onto the map. So let's do a few of them. We can do this first one, but what I want you to remember about latitude and longitude, we have our equator right here at 0. If you go north of the equator, these are all north. If you go south of the equator, this is south, right? Here is the prime meridian at 0. Going to the right, this is east. And if you're going to the left, this will be west. So let's map this first one, Mount Vesuvius in Italy. 42 degrees north. So I look here, I've got 30 degrees north, 45 degrees north. So it'll be a little lower than the 45 degrees. And then I've got 13 degrees east. So here's the 0 line, here's 15. 13 is going to be just a little bit to the left of the 15. And I go up 13, and I go over 42. And that's right about here. And again, I want you to label this one Mount Vesuvius. Now, it might be a little hard. You might try a pen, or if you have like a colored pen or something like that, that might show up better because there's a lot of lines and printing on here. But as best you can, label each one of those. Let's do another one. The next one is Mount Fuji. We could do that one. And this one, you got to be careful because it gives a little fact here, but there's 1707 period. That's separate, right? So we're looking at this 35 north, 138 east. All right, so 35 north is going to be just above the 30 latitude. And then 138 east. Here's 120, here's 150. So in between them would be 35. So 38 is just a little further from this midline here. So I'm going to go up, and right about there is Mount Fuji. All right, so do that with the rest of these and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.